Here at Mighty, we highly recommend that you charge for access to your community. Charging for access means that your members are more likely to be active, to engage, to check in, and to really be a part of your community. Why? Because people pay attention to what they pay for. When your members are paying, they don't want to waste their hard-earned money. They want to check in. They want to work together to achieve their best year ever. Let me go ahead and show you how to set up a payment plan on Mighty. To start, click on the Settings button. Head over to Plans and Access and click on Plans. From there, click the plus button to create a new plan. Now, when you're first getting started, I recommend that you start with the plan that includes membership to your Mighty network, as well as your core spaces. When you're first getting started, you should have 1 to 4 core spaces, a welcome space, a community space, and an event space. I'm going to include those 3 spaces on my main membership plan. I'll go ahead and call it Trailheads Membership. From there, you can add an internal note that only you as a host can see. You can add an image or video. You can add a sales pitch, a benefits list, and a description. All of this here can be changed at any time. Next, you head over to your payment gates. Here you've got some options. I recommend that you keep payments turned on because you should be charging for access. If you need to provide free access to someone, you can always create a free plan by turning payments off. You also have the option to turn on screening questions. If you want to require potential members to answer up to 5 questions before they can access, you can also opt to turn on approvals so that you as a host can approve or deny members and make sure that only the right people are joining your community. I'll keep it with just payments for now. From there, you decide how to charge. You can charge on web, iOS, or you can opt to make your plan free. I'll stick with web for now, and then you can choose between several pricing options. We recommend you stick with subscription, but go ahead and click combine options and combine multiple subscription intervals. That way your members can choose between accessing a monthly plan or an annual plan. We typically recommend that you give members who choose the annual plan about 2 months off for free to incentivize them to give you that money up front for the year. Feel free to add a free trial so that members can test out your community before they get charged. And just to give you all a heads up about the other options that you have, you can charge a one-time payment, those subscriptions we just talked about, and an installment plan as well. Then go ahead and click to finish. You can preview what your plan will look like to make sure you like the branding, how it looks, and then just go ahead and click create. From there, the final step is to go ahead and make this plan visible. I want this plan to appear on my landing page so that prospective members that find my community can go ahead and purchase it. And I'll just stick with that for now. Now, next up, I want to charge for access to a specific course. I want to allow members of my community to upgrade to my beginner's guide to hiking. So I'll go ahead and select just that plan. And I want to give members the option to purchase only this space. So I'll keep access to my community toggled off. Then give it a name, again, internal note, an image, a sales pitch, a benefits list, and a description. All of this is completely up to you. Click next for gates. Again, I'm going to keep payments toggled on. And for this guide, since it is just a simple guide, I'm going to select the pricing type as one-time payment. Then I'll go ahead and add it in. I'll click next to finish, take a look at what it looks like. And once I've created my plan, I want this to appear on my landing page so that prospective members can purchase just this guide, see how they like it, and then decide to upgrade to my main membership. But I also want my current members to be able to take a look at the courses that I offer and purchase this one as an upgrade, an a la carte upgrade to it whenever they want. That is how you create a payment plan on Mighty. It's simple, it's fast. You as a host can decide on the pricing, on who gets access, on where they see it, and so much more. We can't wait to see you bring incredible revenue into your community.